So today on my today on my last day in Honduras in this really cool La Ceiba lodge, we're gonna be hiking 4 hours up into the mountain to see a waterfall in which we can't even get in, but hopefully it's all worth it. But I'm a little bit nervous because I'm already starting to see lots of complications. Soles to my shoe have begun coming off, so I know that can't be a good sign. And the other foreboding omen is probably the fact that it is raining outside. It's pouring. So it begs the question, how the heck am I gonna climb for 4 hours with one bottle of water in the freaking rain? Like,
Lo único gacho es que ojalá nos den chance de bañarnos.
oh crap. Yo, this might not be secure, bro. Yo, chill. Why is it slippery too? Yo, and my stick's falling to the crack.
I didn't know when my dad left.
Okay, wait, let me move first then.
Dale.
Dude, my stick keeps falling through the little crack. Oh crap. Yo. Oh crap. Dude, this is actually very nerve-wracking and it's slippery too. I mean, if I slip, I probably wouldn't fall all the way down, but it's pretty crazy. It's minute 30. It's still raining, but the waterproof jacket was just too hot for me. So I had to take it off. I'd rather get wet. Another 15 minutes have passed. We seem to have reached another checkpoint. Let's check this out. ¿Qué, está buena? Yeah.
What is it?
I got my stick. Here's the first waterfall, is right around this corner. Let's see how cool this is. Whoa. ¿Está?
Con GGI.
What? I'm very exhausted. And there's still a long way up, so just praying for the best.
Can you hear it?
It is massive, bro. Wow. Alright, kind of disappointing. It's time to go back now.
Oh.